In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, before doing anything, you need to find an app called Themes and click on it. Now select Featured or Categories at the bottom to check out Text Styles section, available in both. Quick tip: if you go into Featured and tap on Text Styles at the top, you can select this icon, Free, next to Categories, and see all of your text styles available for free. Click on the best one for you. If you decided to pay for one, just pay for it by tapping Pay at the bottom. If you decided to pick one of the free ones, hit Free Download. Then choose Apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my text has changed. If you ever wanna go back to your default font style or any previously downloaded ones, hit Themes again, select Me at the bottom right corner, and hit Text Styles available under Downloaded. Over here, tap on Default, hit Apply, and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!